All right, guys, today is my birthday and we are back in New York. We just got back from Charlotte and we are going to take you on our journey on all of the pet-friendly places that we will visit today. So today we're going to start the day off with coffee with some raw heavy cream.
All right, so in case you're wondering, if you are visiting New York with your dog, it's not mandatory that you have a car or anything. We're just returning the rental car now that we had for our Charlotte trip. And within New York City, you can walk everywhere. You can take the train. It's super accessible through everything. Dogs inside of public transport need to be in a bag or carrier. So the way that we go around it is we just have the stroller for Milka. So yeah, it's super convenient, honestly. If you have a small dog that fits into a stroller, I definitely recommend it, because also New York City is quite dirty. So there are definitely some areas where I don't want Milka walking. So, because yeah, they'll also pick up stuff
and then also with Milka, she has a maximum amount of distance that she's gonna walk, and that is usually about 6 kilometers. So as soon as she hits around 6, she'll just stop. But 6 kilometers is really not that much for us.
In New York City especially.
In New York City especially. And then so we'll just pop her into the stroller and then we can keep moving about our day. And then when she's gotten some more energy, then we'll take her back out.
Yeah. And you've probably seen this little white dog in the back.
Oreo.
Oreo.
This is Oreo, and this is my aunt's dog. And we take care of her quite often, so you will see her a little more in our videos every now and then when we are in New York, more specifically. Another banger. All right, guys, we just returned the rental car and now we are in Central Park. We're just gonna take a little walk through Central Park. We're enjoying our walk in the jungle of New York City.
You definitely have to come to Central Park if you're bringing your dog to New York City. That's a must.
Okay, Milka is taking a cooling break in Central Park. Sometimes Milka likes to drink the water from a lake or a creek or a river, and we try not to let her do that just because we don't want her to pick up any bacteria that may get her sick, which is a really difficult task because obviously we can tell that she's thirsty. So here we just actually gave her a drink of water before we let her go into the water, which did help prevent a little bit from her drinking this water.
Also, something you have to be really careful about in America is the blue algae in ponds and lakes, so that is very dangerous to dogs. So yeah, we don't ever let her drink the water.
Yeah. So we just actually seen a sign that said that there is algae here that can be harmful for dogs. So definitely when we get back home tonight, we are going to shower Milka just to take some extra precautions.
Yeah, the water where we let her bathe, it was very clear, but this sea right here, you can tell the water is super green. So
yeah, but just because
don't let your dog in that
water.
water.
And because we don't know where that water actually is running from, we're just gonna
clean water.
Yeah, the water that looked clean. We're just gonna take some extra precautions. That's all. Right now, we are actually still in Central Park, and this, where we are right now, is kind of the unofficial dog park. Right now, unfortunately, there are no dogs here. It might be because it's too early in the day, but I might have footage from last year and I'll share that here, but this is definitely a spot that you'll want to check out if you have a dog, and we will drop that pin location in the description section.
From where did we enter? This was a really nice walk.
So,
like one of the nicest walks we ever did in Central Park.
Yeah, so we entered the park through around 83rd Street. That's where we dropped off the car, and then I think we walked 1 or 2 blocks into the park, and now you can access this area where the unofficial dog park is. We are, I believe this is about 72nd Street, so you can enter this area around 72nd Street.
Yeah, but I really recommend entering around 83rd and then walking down to this park. It's a really beautiful walk.
Yeah.
Yeah, and also there's a really, really nice restaurant right here. What's it called? Le Quotient or something?
I don't know.
We'll drop it. But that looks like a really, really nice breakfast spot as well. So this is actually perfect.
All right, so we did start this vlog a little wrong. We did not eat yet, and so my baby's feeling a little bit hungry and lightheaded. So we're gonna head out of here downtown to Smorgasburg.
Smorgasburg.
I believe that's a Swedish or Danish word, and we're gonna check it out. It might be Norwegian.
Hold your breath.
Now we finally made it to the World Trade Center, and we are at Smorgasburg, which is basically a food festival. They have food from so many different cultures, and it is time to get something to eat.
Yes, they have Smorgasburg like all around the city of New York. Like they have some in Brooklyn, which are also really nice. Definitely check at least one of them out if you're in New York City in the summer.
Yeah, and they're only happening on the weekend. So today is Friday. We made it to the one at the World Trade Center. Okay, Charlie finally got her food. She's feeling a lot better now, I can tell. Look at the smile on her face. Yes, and the dogs are here, so you can take your dog here. There were no signs that said dogs not allowed. And I'm about to dig in now. Very good. The ribs was a major hit. I definitely recommend. Little bit pricey, but very, very good. Also, the dumplings was also a hit. I got the Korean beef dumplings with the spicy. So you gotta get the spicy if you're gonna get the dumplings at the Destination Dumplings. There you go, Destination Dumplings for you. They are good. They're really good. They're really good. I'm telling you, they're really good. And the Korean beef one is good. All right, so right now I am online for the truffle fries. I'm definitely gonna get the truffle fries with the aioli. All right, I told y'all I'm gonna get the truffle fries with the aioli. You gotta get it. I showed y'all where to get it. Plus, they even have blueberry lemonade. So I'm gonna tell y'all how that is. Tell us. Oh, did you see all that fresh blueberry?
It's really good, actually.
Yeah.
Wow. And it's not too sweet.
Very good. Very good.
Really good, yeah. And the dogs have to watch us eat.
They ate already.
They ate really good. Nika had a double meal.
Exactly.
This is Canal Street.
So we just left the World Trade Center. We're gonna go to a dog bar, so we're really excited to check that out and have a few beers. There goes Milka. So right now they are the only dogs here, so maybe we will see some other dogs later. Yeah, so this dog bar is in Soho in New York City. I will be sure to link the street in the description section for you guys. Okay, so now it's time to get some dessert in Little Italy. Maybe get some ice cream. All right, yummy. That's good. That's good. I promise to you guys, doing this vlogging stuff, I'm gonna be honest. If something's not good, I'm gonna tell y'all. Straight up, I'm gonna tell y'all if it's not good. This is good though. Where are we? Okay, I didn't even tell you guys where we are. Yes, we are in Little Italy, but more specifically, we are at the Da Gennaro. I'll type that out for you. But we have been here before, so I can say that here is good food.
Yeah, so we were gonna go to this Ferrera bakery in Little Italy, but the outside seating wasn't nice, so we love sitting outside. So we just said, okay, let's just go to Little Italy. They always have really beautiful outside sitting in Little Italy, like especially if you come here at night, really recommend it, it's amazing. And we gravitate to plants, so yeah, we've been here before. We know the food is good. You can bring your dog outside, so it's awesome. This video is brought to you by CBD Dog Health. We absolutely love all of their products, their CBD tinctures, their salves, everything. And especially the Calm, we take it with us wherever we go because sometimes Milka does get anxious, especially with us traveling all the time now. We just want to be prepared and proactive, and we want to have something to give to her if she is a little anxious, also to help her just stay calm in loud situations and stuff like that. So she definitely loves being with us, but we love to be prepared and just know that this helps to calm her down, and it really works. Like, we've seen it, like you can literally see it work. Like, it's actually insane. Like, all of her triggers just sometimes don't even exist anymore when she's on this. So yeah. I'm actually gonna give her some now because as we were walking toward here, I feel like she was a little weird. She like stopped walking a couple times. I don't know like what's wrong with her, but I know this is gonna help. Good girl. Good girl.
All right, we just got new phones. I'm super excited. Samsung S24 Plus. Samsung, if you're watching, please sponsor our next phones. We don't like Apple, so just know that we're riding with you guys. Unboxing. Man, these phone cases are super small now. Does it even come with anything? When you buy a phone, it usually comes with the wall charger. Now they're just giving you a wire and telling you to figure it out on your own.
Okay, we have them.
I'm not happy. No, but I was actually looking forward to the a new. Look, we just came from Dubai. All I have is UK plugs.
Oh, that's true.
That's all I have is UK plugs, and now I have to walk around. Let me show you what I'm walking around with, yeah? Just so you know, this is what I'm walking around with. This is what I'm walking around with. Like, this is crazy. I was looking forward to that, and you guys ripped me off. Guys, Samsung, come on, it's not cool. Not cool at all, not cool at all. I was looking forward to that. Like, now I have to still walk around with this thing, and now I have to buy another one. Samsung, not cool, step your game up.
Worst. Unboxing ever.
Worst unboxing ever. We're definitely not gonna get new phones next time. We're gonna have to pay for our own phones again. Damn it. Damn it. Yeah, so I'm really excited actually to use this phone, and the reason why is because I do take a lot of videos and photos, and we also do a lot of Instagram lives, Facebook lives, and having a good phone is definitely important because I've had phones in the past where the quality wasn't good and I didn't really feel comfortable creating new content. So I'm super excited for this camera, more specifically for all of these camera lenses. So let's see what this bad boy can do. All right, we just wrapped up our dinner.
Yeah,
It was really nice, really, really good. Highly recommend.
we actually weren't gonna stay for dinner, but then we just said, yeah, let's just have dinner here.
Yeah, so I'm really happy we did it. So that was our second time there and we really enjoyed it. So I highly recommend that you guys check that one out. Yeah. Little Italy, oh, huge lightning strike. You've probably seen that on the flash here. That was a huge, it's about to thunderstorm over here. So we're gonna.
Probably about to pour.
Yeah, I think oh, it's lightning now. I think we will probably close our video here. All right, guys, I really, really, really hope that you enjoyed this video. It's the first time we're ever doing something like this. You guys have been asking to see more behind the scenes of what we are doing. So I figure that why not show you New York City and the things that we do with our dog and our special guest, Oreo, family dog. And yeah, I hope you liked it. If you want to see more things, just let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video. It really does mean a lot to us when you show that love. It really helps us to create more content.
Yeah, and make sure you turn on the notifications because we're gonna do a lot of these dog-friendly city vlogs.
Yes.
So yeah.
Yeah, definitely do that because I mean, again, when you subscribe and you show the love, it helps us to know whether or not we should be creating more content just like this. So this is a test. I hope you guys like it. And until then, we will see you in the next video. See ya.